Hi everyone, welcome to today's crochet tutorial where we'll be making a cute banana keychain. Not only will it be fun to make, but you'll also have an adorable little accessory to brighten your day. Make sure to like this video if you enjoy the tutorial and subscribe to my channel for more crochet fun. Let's get started. For round 1, start by chaining 18, then turn your work. In the second stitch from the hook, make 2 slip stitches, then continue with 13 single crochet stitches and finish with 2 slip stitches. Keep going. You're doing great, don't worry if it's not perfect, just keep going. For round 2 through 7, we'll be working in the back loop only, BLO. Start by making 2 slip stitches, then 13 single crochet stitches, and finish with 2 slip stitches. Repeat this for each round. Take it slow and steady. Remember, practice makes perfect. For round 8, we'll work in BLO again. Start with 2 slip stitches, then work 2 single crochet stitches, followed by 3 single crochet increases. Finally, end with 2 slip stitches. Keep it up, you're almost done with the main body of the banana. Finally, the stem. Switch to green yarn, attach it to the flower head, and work 5 single crochets in a row. Fasten off and weave in your ends. That's it, your banana is finished. You're incredible. Tip: keep the stem short and firm for a realistic look. Let's move on to the flower head, the cute little top. Chain 5, then work 5 single crochets into the chain. Join with a slip stitch to the first chain to form a ring. So simple, yet so cute. You're doing great. Tip: keep the chain loose so it's easy to work into. For round 2 of the flower head, repeat the last step. Chain 1, then work 5 single crochets into the ring and join with a slip stitch. Look at that, it's coming together beautifully. You're a pro. Tip: pull the yarn gently to tighten the center if needed. And there it is, your adorable crocheted banana. I'm so proud of you for sticking with me. If you had fun, please like this video and subscribe for more crochet adventures. Show off your banana in the comments. I can't wait to see it. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you next time.